Everyone, we have the October Curls monthly mailer. I'm excited to open it because this thing's been sitting at my house for 2 to 3 days, but I was away for a few days. I was staying at my parents. We went into the city. New York Comic Con was so fun. I'm exhausted. I'm still recovering, and my husband and I only do one day. But anyway, so if you don't know Curls Monthly, it's a monthly mailer where they send you 5 products for curly, wavy, all types of neck textured hair. 2 options. You could pick the curated mailer, which is what I have, 5 products they pick for you each month, or you could pick 5 of your own, really amazing. They also have help and tons of information on the products to work you through if you're new to embracing your natural hair texture or anything like that. Really helpful. Also, I am a proud affiliate, partner, whatever, of the brand, and I have a discount code link if you want to save some money on it, and then I could help you personally as well. You'd have to shop through the link for me to do that, and that's in my bio. I can message it to you if you can't find it as well. So let's get right to it. First off, they always have a cute little envelope. They highlight a member dreaming one day that they decide to pick me. You never know, right? And then they also in this thing, well, they used to, here you go, they give you a preview of what the curated for the next month will be. So that's over there. So let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to what is inside. The first thing I see, this is amazing. This is by Curl Keeper, and this is the detangling brush. I happen to have one of these already, and the one I've had for years. It is held up so well, and I use it to detangle my wet hair as soon as I'm out of the shower. Works really well. There's flexible bristles, there's different sizes, and the quality is so good. And it detangles the hair without breaking the hair. And when you detangle, just a tip, by the way, you want to start at the ends and like work your way up to the roots like that. Like, don't go like that, because that's totally gonna break your hair regardless of their brush that you use. Really good quality. Curl Keeper is a really nice brand, by the way. Next, I see some little sample packets. What are these? So these are Being Curl Power Curl Defining Conditioner and Shampoo. So it looks like we have 2 of each. My hair drinks a lot of conditioner, so I'm probably gonna need both of the conditioning packets for one use, to be quite honest. What do these say? Coconut and grapeseed oil to protect and shape. So I've never heard of this brand though, so we'll see. Little packets there. So that's the second. And sometimes you get packets, sometimes you get full sizes, sometimes you get like travel nice sizes, so it all depends. Here's a full size. I'm so excited to try this. Lanza, this is the Healing Moisture Moi hair mask, 6.8 fluid ounces. So this is I think it's moisture and protein in here, if I'm not mistaken. When I saw they did a video preview. Deep intensive moisture for severely dehydrated and depleted hair, rare Polynesian moisturizers, plus the Lanza's exclusive keratin healing system. So make hair soft and silky. How does it smell? Like, I'm not gonna cut open packets to smell them, guys, because I feel like that would be a waste when I'm gonna use them. It's kind of weird how that settled, but okay. Also, the heat seal wasn't attached, but that's alright too. Smells good. It's like a powdery fruity scent. There's like little beads in there. I don't know if you could see. So I'm guessing that one of the ingredients is kind of encapsulated to help it like just like intensely moisturize and like stay fresh. But I'm really excited to try this. Then last but not least, we have another Rizzo Curl product. Actually, speaking of Rizzo Curl, I used one today. This is day 3 hair. I had a really amazing wash day on Thursday. Today's Saturday. I did that. If you go on my TikTok 2 videos ago, I said what I used. But so for today, for the refresh real quick, I went in with the Rizzo Curl Cream for day 3. Really good as a refresh, but back to what this is. So this is a Rizzo Curls Curl Defining Mousse. I'm really excited because I haven't tried this product by them yet. So this says, I can't see. Need glasses, guys. Cactus flower extract. Oh my god, I really can't see. Maracuja. Oh, does it say maracuja oil? Cool, maracuja oil. That's high in vitamin E. And red algae. So there's a clinical one there, guys. I can't even read the font, so I'm not going to waste your time. All right, back. Define curls, deeply hydrates, weightless volume, frizz control, vitamin rich, healthier hair. I want to smell it. I want to try it. Let's go. Oh, it feels silky, like on impact. Smells nice. Very light smell, actually, and tropical. See what it does. I have the other Rizzo Curl Mousse, the green one, that's for like hair growth and strength. So we'll see how this one works on wet hair as well. But for dry, if any little frizz did pop up, see how it feels. Has a slight little tack in my hand, but not bad, but that probably will help with like the frizz. I feel like it added a little shine. Very lightweight. Actually, you know what? That tack kind of went away right away. Wow. I feel like that added like extra shine. What do you think? Rizzo's curls are so good. Like I feel like every product I try by them, I'm like, wow, like this is really nice. But yeah, so that is the October curated. Again, if you want to try and save some money, go through my link. Really, like I feel like Curls Monthly, like their like mailers are so good. Like look at this month. You get a brush, full size, and this is a good travel size. This is the 2.5 fluid ounce. So alrighty, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. This is too long already. Bye.